Today is Thursday, February 7th, 2019, and I'm focusing this on my furnace thermostat right now. I got it set at 70. It doesn't go, the needle on the bottom is at around 65 or a little bit higher, but not much. And I'll turn the light on in case you can't see it very well. It's nice and comfortable in here, but we had the polar vortex last week, very cold, and they had alerts going out from Consumers Energy and also Governor Gretchen Whitmer of Michigan saying to put your thermostats at 65. I kept it at 70. I put it up to 70 because I always keep it at 68. And I put it at 70 because it was so cold, and it was always the temperature in here is 65. So I figured that's the temperature 65, since it didn't go up to 70 in here. And so I'll right now it's going on. Hold on, let me turn that light off here. Right now. It is, the heat just shut off now. Right now, or the fan or the heat, right now it is 12:35 p.m. Eastern Time. Turn the light on there, you can see. And I'm on my computer right now. But I thought I'd take a video of the outside because there's a lot of ice and rain out there. Turn the light off now. And then snow too. We still have snow. It almost looks like granulated, like sugar crystals, the ice and the snow mixture. They've been throwing a lot of salt out here on our patio. On our patio, my patio too, in the sidewalk. But look at the snow, it's really icy. I'll turn it this way. And zoom out. So it is raining right now, and you could hear the ice kind of like if I go up here and look at the tree across the street. I don't know if you can see the ice on it or not. But it's like a heavy rain with the ice. And there's, on the shrub there in front of my apartment, there's ice on it. And the burning bush shrub there, there's nothing on it, no ice on it, but if there were leaves on it, there would be. So there's the snowy ice. I don't know what you call it, but it's looks like sugar to me. Okay, today I'm in Port Huron, Michigan, and it's Thursday, February 7th, 2019. And it's supposed to be in the 50s tomorrow, and then it's supposed to drop again. So hopefully, we haven't had any power outages here, so hopefully it'll be like that. Okay, this is Joanne Marie Rumford signing off. Bye.